Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with a new drawing video. Today I will redraw a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles drawing of mine from 2013. I really love this drawing. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the original drawing at home. For some reason it's gone, very sad. And I also couldn't find the reference I used on Google. I really wanted to credit the original artist because the art itself is amazing. But today is a new day and we will figure out together how much I have improved in 6 years. Hit like and subscribe to my channel guys. So guys, let's touch and then we will take a look at the final result. Man, this took me over 9 hours to complete, but it was very fun drawing a comic-based artwork, and I have to say it looks really good. I gave all the turtles different green skin colors for the separation, and I also added some buildings in the background, the sky and the moon, which fits perfectly to the Ninja Turtles. I used Copic Ciao markers, Ohuhu markers, and Arteza Everblend Markers for the coloring, which are linked in the info box below. And as you can see guys, I really have improved a lot. The new drawing is drawn way cleaner, smoother, and the coloring is also way better. I also used Copic Ciao markers back then, so no arguing about that. But the main reason why I did a video like this is to show you guys that with discipline, hard work, dedication and love, you can improve in every aspect of your life. You just have to put a lot of time and effort into it. And that's already it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit like, subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you think of this drawing. And I really want to know, which of these turtles is your favorite? Comment below. Check out my shop, my other channel and email me for commissions. I see you on the next video. Love you all. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, stay safe, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.